Let's have a look inside.
Go out there and I'll pull horn. Hey guys, B Snappy here. We're about to solve the mystery of what's inside the massive Paul Bennett Airshows truck. And who better to tell us about it than Tim, who actually drives it. G'day Tim.
Mate.
So you drive the truck for Paul Bennett Airshows. Are you the main man with this truck?
Yes, so that's one of my many jobs here at Paul Bennett Airshows. I drove it up here on Wednesday.
All right, Tim, can we get a look inside? Let's get into it.
All right, we'll go start at the back and we'll have a look.
Yeah, right. I've been wondering what's in here.
Yeah, so this is like the back end of the truck where not many people see, but we've got the aircraft tug that goes up in here. We've got our snap-on toolbox over there. We've got smoke oil down here, and under there some storage.
Yeah, that actually goes like a long way back.
Yeah, it's there's a fair bit of room there, and even in front of the wheel wells there's a bit of room as well. And then at the top that goes all the way to the front, and that's filled up with spares. Everything for the airshow fits in this truck.
All right, what's next?
All right, we'll show you where Rachel sells the merchandise. This is our shop section. Then just up here, if you keep coming, we've got just a little room for the pilots, so they have a bit of a break.
I also see there's an aerobatic champion up the back there.
Yeah, so there's Glenn. He's just having a bit of a rest, maybe just doing some work. And then, yeah, the guys, you know, during the day in between their displays, they come up here. We've got a fridge here, microwave, aircon.
So Tim, what do you have up there?
So that's our all our antennas for our Wi-Fi. So we've got Telstra and Optus.
Yeah.
So it switches between the two. So we've got our own Wi-Fi in the truck.
What is the Wi-Fi for on a truck?
So the Wi-Fi is for the pilots to just get all their information online, and also for Rachel in the shop with the FPOS.
And you can see under there's a huge generator to keep the truck fully self-sufficient. All right, so what do we actually have up the front in this trailer?
All right, so we've just had a look at the B trailer. So now this is the A trailer. And up the front, up the stairs there, is all the merchandise for the shop. When Rachel runs a bit low on stock, she can go up there and grab more stuff. There's also 4 beds up the top. There's an air conditioner in there as well, so some of the pilots, they like to go in there and have a bit of a rest as well.
Paul does actually let you have a bit of a rest from time to time.
Oh, sometimes I'll sneak a rest. The guys go in there and have a rest, the pilots do, but yeah. No time for a rest. We've got like all our oil, some truck cleaning stuff, hydraulic oil, brake bleeder if we need it to bleed the brakes, battery chargers, cleaning sprays, gaskets, everything for the day of the air show that we need for the aeroplanes. That's all in there.
So it's like almost a rolling mechanic shop.
Yeah, pretty much. Yep,
yeah.
Yep. And then we've also got down in here, we've got the generator, it's a diesel for the Sea Fury for the smoke. And then the A-frames at the back there. The bike jump equipment is in there as well. And then along here, the steps for the B trailer, they fit in here. We've got star pickets for the signs out there. We've got tables and marquees if we need any of that.
So when someone actually books a Paul Bennett Airshow, do you guys just do the whole airshow? Do you do everything?
Yeah, pretty much, yep.
Wow.
Everything from setting up the grounds to bringing all the aeroplanes in. And
so it is basically just a rolling air show?
Pretty much, yep, that's what we've come to be.
All right, can we get a look up the front?
Yep.
So what type of truck is it?
So this is our new Kenworth 610.
Yep.
It's only got 6,000 Ks on it, and it just drives beautifully. So let's have a look inside.
You can even smell the fresh leather smell coming outside the door.
Climb on up. You're in there, and climb up the steps.
So how big are these fuel tanks down there?
They're reasonably big, so it's nearly 2,000 litres of diesel.
Whoa.
Come on this side and
Alright.
have a look, see how this starts up.
Alright Tim, can we actually hear it run?
Yeah, sure, only if you want to start it.
Oh yeah, sure.
Alright, just hold the key over to the right, keep holding it over.
That sounds so good.
And then put your foot on this, give it a couple of pumps. Give it to it.
That sounds really good. I never thought I'd be able to start Paul Bennett's B double. And look back here, it's like a whole bedroom back there. I'm 6 foot and I can stand up in here easy. Tim, you're a lucky man. You get to drive this luxury brand new rig.
It is, I am quite lucky actually.
Tim, I think you might need some assistance on your next air show.
Yeah, sure mate, there's always a spare seat there.
Yeah. Go out there and I'll pull a horn.
Give it a couple of toots. What?
That sounds awesome. That's like a typical big truck horn, eh?
Yeah, it is. You can shut her off now. Just do it off. Yeah, that's it. And it'll shut down. It'll shut down automatically. Or I can turn it off like that.
What did you press?
Just that button.
Alright Tim, thanks for the tour, that was amazing.
Yeah, no problem.